Welcome to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and how businesses leverage its capabilities to drive innovation and efficiency. Get ready to uncover the incredible ways AI is transforming industries across the globe. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way businesses operate across industries. It has become an integral part of business operations, offering companies a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving landscape. From automation to data analysis, AI provides organizations with unprecedented opportunities to enhance decision-making, optimize processes, and deliver superior customer experiences. Enhanced customer experiences. One of the key ways businesses use AI is by enhancing customer experiences. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming customer service, providing instant support, personalized recommendations, and seamless interactions. These intelligent systems enhance customer satisfaction, increase engagement, and improve brand loyalty, ensuring a seamless and efficient customer journey. Data analytics and insights. The ability to extract actionable insights from vast amounts of data is invaluable for businesses. AI enables organizations to analyze complex data sets, identify patterns, and generate valuable insights. From predictive analytics to real-time data monitoring, AI empowers companies to make data-driven decisions, optimize operations, and gain a competitive edge. Advanced algorithms and machine learning models can analyze complex data sets, identify patterns, and generate valuable insights. Process automation and optimization. AI-powered automation has revolutionized industries like manufacturing, streamlining operations and optimizing efficiency. Intelligent machines and robots can handle repetitive and complex tasks, reducing errors, increasing productivity, and freeing up human resources for more strategic initiatives. The result? Faster production cycles, improved quality control, and cost savings. Marketing and personalization. In the digital age, AI plays a significant role in marketing strategies. By analyzing vast amounts of consumer data, AI algorithms enable businesses to personalize marketing campaigns, target specific audiences, and deliver relevant content at the right time. AI-powered recommendation engines help drive sales by suggesting products based on individual preferences and behaviors. Predictive analytics and fraud detection. In the realm of finance, AI is instrumental in risk management and security. Advanced algorithms analyze historical data, identify potential risks, and detect fraudulent activities. Machine learning models enable real-time monitoring and anomaly detection, providing businesses with a robust defense against cyber threats and financial fraud. These are just a few examples of how businesses leverage AI to drive innovation and efficiency. The applications of AI in business are vast, and the possibilities are endless. By embracing AI technologies, businesses can optimize processes, improve decision-making, boost productivity, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. However, it's essential to consider the ethical implications, data privacy, and ensure transparency as AI continues to evolve. That concludes our exploration of how businesses utilize AI to drive innovation and efficiency. Stay tuned for more exciting insights and discussions on the role of technology in the business world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time.